Oh, I didn't see you guys over there. Welcome to a new episode in our Cape Town edition. Unfortunately, we have to leave this behind, but we're both going to a place we have never been to before. We are going to explore the West Coast, so come join us. Welcome to Jacobsbaai. We stopped in Eisenfontein for a quick coffee on our way up north. We're currently in Jacobsbaai. We have come to this place for lunch. It's called Daai Plekkie in Weskus. We've been looking forward to this place for quite a while. So let's go have lunch.
We are spending our first night on the west coast of South Africa at Paternoster. We are staying at Boebakkies 1. Link will be in the description, but let's show you the inside.
Good morning, explorers. Yes, we had an epic sunset yesterday. Had a braai, just relaxed. It's funny when you come visit the ocean, it puts you in power sailing mode. You just want to lie down and do nothing. But this morning we decided to explore the areas around Paternoster, and here we are currently at Tietiesbaai. If you translate that directly, it's Boobies Bay. So this place is a national park and it's mainly a non-powered campsite with awesome ablution blocks in the background. So let's show you around. The best thing about small coastal towns like this is everything you would need is in the main road. Every adventure you're looking for, every place you would want to visit. Like the famous Panty Bar we visited yesterday. It's right here on the right. Everything is just in the main road.
Guys, the wind is crazy, so I hope you can hear us clearly. Paternoster is not what we expected. We expected peacefulness, but not this peaceful. The white houses, beautiful view over the ocean. This is the best place to come and rest. Paternoster also has an OK mini mart for all your grocery needs. And I can't wait to see what the other coastal towns has to offer.
Something I didn't expect to find on the West Coast is so many fine dining restaurants. Like the one over my left shoulder, the Plekkie restaurant, and the one over my right shoulder, Wolfgat restaurant, only does fine dining. Something else that's very interesting about the West Coast is the amount of art galleries you find here. At the waterfront there's quite a few, we saw one or two in town, and the people here are so friendly. We absolutely love this place. Definitely the best place to come and have the chilled holiday you are looking for. That sunrise was absolutely epic. But now it's time for us to move on from Boobies 1. But let's give our review first. So I would rate this place a 6 out of 10. Unfortunately, this place needs a bit of a deep clean. It looks like someone did try to put in the effort to wash all the dishes, but they put them wet into the cupboard, and when you take them out there's a bit of like moldiness on it, which was not nice. But the view from this place is absolutely epic, and I would definitely recommend this place if you want to come and stay in Paternoster. But now it's time for us to move on. Do you think we're going north or south on the coast from here? So let's take Swifty, continue on our journey, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye!